Hello, in this video we'll be going through how to set up the Aerpro APBT200 FM transmitter. First thing to do is put your car in accessories so the 12 or 24 volt power will be available on your socket. Before plugging in the APBT200, make sure that the switch on the side of the device is set to on. When plugged in, it will display high, BT mode, and then the current FM frequency. To change the frequency on the FM transmitter, press and hold the decline call button, like so, until the current FM frequency starts blinking. Then we can use the volume up and down buttons on the side until we're happy with the currently selected frequency. It will automatically save and stop blinking after a couple of seconds. In this case, I've chosen 90.0. Next, let's make sure that the FM radio is tuned to the right frequency on the car's head unit. Since I've chosen 90.0 on the FM transmitter, I will tune the radio to 90.0, making sure that I'm in FM mode. Now, let's pair with the Aerpro APBT200 via Bluetooth using a smartphone. Navigate to the Bluetooth section, making sure Bluetooth is on and not currently connected to another device. When it appears, we then choose APBT200. If all is connected correctly, you will hear a confirmation message coming through your car's speakers, like this.
Connected.
But don't worry if you didn't hear anything just yet, the volume may be a bit low. To make sure that everything is working, play some music on your phone, making sure that the volume is turned up on your phone, then moving on to the volume of the device, holding down the volume buttons on the side, making sure that's about halfway, and finally the head unit. You should be able to hear music through the car's audio system. If you're having trouble connecting to the FM transmitter, it is recommended to unpair your device, restart your phone and try this process again. Now would be a good time to test out hands-free calling to make sure the volumes are at a good listening level for both calls and music. When getting a call, you simply press the call button. You can also switch between the APBT200's built-in microphone and your phone's microphone by pressing the call button during a phone call. You can reject the call with a long press of the reject call button and can redial the last caller by double-clicking the call button. Just bear in mind that you need to be on the same frequency as the FM transmitter, as it won't automatically switch when you get a phone call. The APBT200 also supports line output through the included auxiliary cable. This is designed to be used either with headphones or to be plugged into your car's head unit. This bypasses the FM transmitter integration and directly plays music from your smartphone via Bluetooth to your car's audio system. The APBT200 supports Bluetooth and USB music playback through the dedicated USB port of the transmitter. You can switch between Bluetooth and USB when installed by long pressing the call button. While music is playing, you can play or pause, skip a song, or go to the previous track by using the buttons on the side of the APBT200. On the side of the transmitter, we have a switch that will allow us to change between displaying the current FM frequency and displaying the current car's battery voltage level. If a USB device is plugged into one of the reversible USB ports, it will display the current power draw from that device. The Bluetooth FM transmitter supports charging of two devices simultaneously with two USB charging ports capable of total maximum output of 5 volts at 2.1 amps. And since both USB ports are reversible, you don't have to worry about which orientation the USB cable is. That concludes the how-to video for the Aerpro APBT200 FM transmitter. If you'd like to know more about the APBT200 or other Aerpro products, please visit our website aerpro.com.